guys, welcome back. This is Lena. How you guys doing? So I was just about to oil my hair and then I thought, why don't I make a video and you will see me oiling my hair and I'll give you a few tips on how to oil your hair. So let's start. So a lot of us do hate oiling our hair. I know it's a task and ekdam oiliness lagna, jumpy karna, it can get boring. But it's really important to oil your hair if you want good and healthy hair. So firstly, oil your hair twice a week. It's really good if you have time. If you don't have time, okay, once a week is fine. And make sure that you take a nice oil. You can either use almond oil or coconut oil. I use coconut oil for my hair. It works for me. So now I'm going to show you how to oil your hair. So first thing is, make sure that your hair is not wet, okay? It needs to be dry. So yeah, just take your hair, brush your hair first, like really well, and then you take your oil. So here I have my coconut oil, and what I've done is I just warmed it a little. So make sure it's a little warm, and you can use, as I told you, almond oil or coconut oil. I'm using coconut oil here. So just take a little bit of oil, make sure it's warm. It'll give you like a nice jumpy if it's warm. So start applying your oil. So one very important tip is, oil is for your scalp. So it's not for literally like your pura hair or not. So make sure that you put oil onto your scalp very well and then you massage it. So guys, this part is very important. You must have seen your dadi, nani, your mom putting oil यहाँ पे बहुत important होता है. जो ऐसे लगा लो and just rub it. It feels so good. Okay. And make sure that you apply oil here also on the back side of your hair. अच्छे से apply it all over and massage it really well for like 10 to 15 minutes if you have time. Guys, once you've done with the massage, just take a little bit whatever extra oil you have, just rub it here, ends pe, because your hair, like the ends get really dry. That's it. And just tie it into a nice bun, or you can also do like a choti. And very important tip is, please don't brush your hair after you've applied oil. It'll just break your hair, so don't do that. Bun mein I say just put it into a bun and leave it for 2 hours. If you have the time, if you can leave it like overnight and wash it next day morning, nothing like it, that'll be great. So do that. And now what I'm gonna do is, I'm just gonna take a towel, or you can take a nice cotton t-shirt, dip it into like hot water, squeeze out the excess water and just put it, wrap it around your head for 10 to 15 minutes. So I'm just gonna go that. I'll just get my t-shirt. So here's t-shirt. I may look funny. So I'm just gonna do this, wrap it around and just keep it like that for 10 to 15 minutes and just relax. So that's it guys. I left it for like 10 to 15 minutes and I'm gonna sleep. I'm gonna wash my hair in the morning. So do that. At least keep the oil for about 2 hours, not less than that. And make sure your hair is clean and dry when you're applying oil. And very important, don't keep your oil for more than a day. It's not good for your hair. So 1 day max. And use a nice mild shampoo and a conditioner when you wash your hair. And do follow these tips and let me know if it was helpful and if you follow these, and comment and let me know. And also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram account is Lena Gowda Official. If there's anything guys, do let me know in the comment section below. And thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button if you like this video. Okay, bye. Thank you. Hey guys, welcome back. This is Leena. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So it's summer season now, and then we like wearing all colorful, bright colors, and you don't want to wear something which is really dark. And neon and all these colorful eyeshadows are like so in trend. So I thought I'll show you something really simple and like a nice bright eyeliner. So let's start. So guys, the first thing that you will need in this video is of course a white eyeliner or a kajal pencil. This is by Coloricon, and I'm just gonna take this eyeliner and make a nice thick winged liner. You don't need to be perfect or anything because you will put some eyeshadow on top of this. So a nice thick winged liner is what we need. If you don't want to do a wing liner, you can do this, but I like to be a little extra, so see, a nice wing liner. So we'll do the same thing on this eye as well. So this is the color that I'll be using, which is green. And you will need a brush like this. Let me show you. So this is a nice angled brush which you could use for your eyebrows. So this is really simple, okay? So just dust off the excess and then just press little. As you can see, this is green and this is white. Actually, this is also looking very good with this t-shirt, but I wanted to show you some nice fun colors. We could also like put some blue if you want. You want to try it? Let's do it. I'm just going to remove the extra color and then I'll take blue. Do blue here maybe. Can you guys see that? I'll come close here. So guys, this is what it looks like. I added a bit of blue here. So the green will look a little darker here and then you have the light green. I think it looks really cool. So let's do the same thing on this side. So first is of course green. I will take green, apply it here. So this angled brush makes it really easy and simple. So I've put green, now I'll just add some blue on the inner corners. So I've done this, now I'll take the same brush and put it here under the eyes as well. Just a little bit of color. And then I'm going to put my mascara now. So let's move on to the mascara. So the mascara that I'll be using today is by Benefit. It's their Bad Girl Bang. I really like this mascara. You can also use like falsies, but I don't think we need that right now. So I'm done with applying my mascara. You can put some more color under your eyelids here if you want more dramatic looks. So I'm going to just add a little bit of color. That's it. So guys, I hope you guys liked my look. It was really fun. I love playing with colors. So do try this, let me know in the comment section below. And please follow me on Instagram. My Instagram account is LeenaGaudaOfficial. And I'll see you soon guys. Thank you so much. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back. This is Leena. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing really well. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you everything about vitamin C, everything you need to know possibly, and why it's good for your skin, how it works for your skin, etc. So let's start. So guys, vitamin C is amazing for your skin. It has antioxidants, so which is like really good to get rid of those fine lines. It will get rid of all the dark spots on your skin, and it'll make your skin bright and really good and glowy. So that's why we use vitamin C, and you can get it in different forms like serum, cream, etc. You've seen a lot of my DIYs also where I use like a lemon, or you can also use like orange peel dried and you can use it as scrub. You've seen a lot of my videos where I use lemon in most of my face packs. So all you can do is just take lemon, honey, and just rub it all over your face. It'll give you a really nice glow. But another thing is you need to use vitamin C in a proper form. So just don't use lemon on your skin. You get that tingling feeling, itchiness and all. So use it with like honey or maybe malai. It's really good. So also see that whenever you purchase your vitamin C, it's in a nice bottle, or you will see it'll be in that tinted brown color bottle mostly, so that it doesn't get oxidized, and if it gets oxidized, becomes like this yellowish color. You don't want that. So then your vitamin C is not working. And make sure that you store it in a nice place, not in like sunlight or somewhere where it's like moist and all. So you place it and store it in a nice place. The next thing is always check your expiry date of your vitamin C cream or serum before you apply it. And this is good for every type of skin type, like for sensitive skin also it's very good. Most people use it. I don't see any problem. But also do a patch test before you apply any cream or any new serum or anything. Just place it here, wait for some time, then you apply it if you don't have like itchiness or anything. So this was about vitamin C, and now I'm going to show you this really cool face pack. Okay, I'm going to talk about it. I've been using it and it's amazing, good for all skin types, no problems at all. And guess what, it doesn't have any harmful chemicals or anything. It's paraben free, it's silicone free. It's amazing for our skin. So it's by Mama Earth. This is their vitamin C face mask. So because we were talking about vitamin C, I wanted to show you this face pack. I want to apply it and tell you why it's good, why it's worked for me. And as I told you, it's good for all skin types. So I'm going to apply this and I'm going to show it to you. So let's start. I just put this hairband so that I keep my hair away from my face. So this is what the face pack looks like. Smells amazing too. And I'm going to apply it now. So all you need to do is rinse your face, use a nice face wash, and then you apply your face pack. So apply it all over your face. Then we're going to leave it for like 15 minutes, and then we're going to rinse it off. I really like Mama Earth products. They're so good. As I told you, they don't have any harmful chemicals and parabens and all of that. And also because it's an Indian brand, guys, that's so cool, right? I'm done with applying the face pack. As I told you, it has like really good ingredients. It has like cryolan clay and vitamin C, of course, which will like get rid of all the dark spots, will brighten my skin. And just an Indian brand, as I told you, it's great, right? I like supporting like Indian brands. And also, no chemicals, so everybody in your family can use it, which is great. And also guys, as a surprise, I have a 20% off if you want to buy like Mama Earth products. I'll put the discount code in the description, and also I'll put the links you can get from Nykaa, Amazon, and a lot of places. So the link is down below. Go get your face pack now, try it and let me know if you liked it, and also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram account is Leena Gaurav Official, and thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye.